Now, we will see later on kung ano ba yung mga status ng mga trades na ito. So, we've discussed so far yung 4 trades, okay, initially dito. Now, on the next one, we got this long trade opportunity. So, ilalagay natin sa journal, which is this one. Same market, but different position now, which is a long position. Now, on the minute 5 time frame or the 5 minutes time frame, which gives me this potential setup. And my price entry is at what? 169476. Now, 169476 stop loss price based on the setup. I could go on and take my stop loss around 1.692. It's right here, just below here. Okay, giving me a good placement for my stop loss. Okay, if I'm expecting market to bounce off this price. Now, my target price based on this setup would be at 169914 and 1.7018. Okay, so that will be my targets, target 1 and target 2. Okay, so what happened now? So this happened after how many hours, guys? Magsi 6 p.m. same day. We hit our target profit 1 from our first initial short sell trade, and at the same time, our long trade, guys, took that buy triggered, or our long trade was triggered. Okay, so our long trade was triggered. So what happened? Lalagay natin dito the status. First trade, we hit TP1, so it's a winning trade. And there's our rule for our trade management. If we hit our first trade, take note, if we hit our first trade to our initial target profit 1, we could go on and manage our second trade, which is with the same entry price at break even. Okay, so yun yung nangyari. Now, moving on, guys. Okay, so we got that target profit 1 hit, and at the same time, yan, meron tayong idea long for us to long that market. Take note, we have a short, and at the same time, we have a long opportunity down here. Now, trade idea number 2, nagkataon ilang oras, okay? Sa loob ng isa sa 2 oras, tinamaan din yung ating target profit 1 at tinamaan din yung ating target profit 2. So, that is our long trade setup, and it is right here. So this is a win trade. Okay, so this is a win trade, and at the same time, ano na nga ba ang nangyari sa pending natin na short trade opportunity kung saan tayo'y nag-aabang pa rin? Okay, so we will see, guys. So target profit 1 taken and target profit 2 taken from our buy long trade opportunity. So no trades at all. It's all a close trade. Now, as you could see, guys, pagkalipas ng ilang oras, okay, umakyat si market at tinamaan naman ngayon kung saan tayo dapat pumasok na short. And that's at 1.70854. Same lang sa first trade details natin. Ang target, first target right here at 1.6966 and second target right here at 1.6893. At sa panahon, as you could see, this was March 7, this day, okay, around 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, so it is how much of pips, guys? We are current price, closing price as of the market's closing, weekly closing is at 1.6980. Target profit 1 is at 1.6966. And take note, guys, na there is another upcoming trade opportunity naman sa akin para maglong dito. Okay, by which tatamaan niya most likely yung aking first target ng short entry na ito. Okay? So, kung papansinin nyo, itong nangyayari ngayon, guys. Okay? Itong nangyayari ngayon, most likely, same lang kung ano yung nangyari dito. Tandaan nyo, we got a short opportunity right here plus another long opportunity down here. Okay? And at the same time, our pending short sell trade triggered right here, and now market is down here. Okay? So, yan. So, babalik tayo, guys, sa journal, no, na pinakita ko sa inyo para mas maintindihan ninyo. Now, for the third trade, guys, okay, by which tinamaan yung ating pending short sell trade, no, currently it is still ongoing. So, ilalagay natin to ongoing, and at the same time, this one is ongoing. Now, if papakita ko sa inyo ngayon si market, kung anong itsura ni market at kung saan yung first initial stop loss natin, no? Na 171338 na iyon or 1339 na iyon. Okay? It's right here, just above this one. Okay? Just above that one. Right? So, again, our stop loss will be at 171341. That's all for my short sell trade opportunity. At saan ba yung 1.71341 na yan? So, yung aking 17314 na yan will be at here. Just put 17341 at nagkataon nandyan siya and market didn't hit yet our stop loss kung nagkataon. Now, if our first trade, for example, guys, now if you remember, we did manage this to break even. But if, for example, we didn't manage this to break even, this one is still ongoing. Okay, this one is still ongoing, but again, we had a rule for me specifically that if my targets are taken, okay, and with the numbers of testings, okay, I would prefer that my second target will be at break even. Okay, so let's stick with that rule. Now, so ito na so far yung nangyari. Third trade is right here, and there's another opportunity naman for me to take a buy long trade. If market goes down here, for sure tatamaan yung aking initial target ng pangatlong trade ko kung saan natamaan yung pending short, okay, trade dito, at the same time targets up here 1 and 2. Yan, makikita natin yan, no, in this coming week market. Now, focus tayo dito guys sa ating journal. Now, sa journal, makikita ninyo guys, no, yung ating mga trade details, okay, again, and at the same time, kung ano ba nangyari so far sa ating performance. Okay, based doon sa isang araw, sa isang market na iyon. Nagsimula tayo ng 11 p.m., nagtapos tayo within the same day. Okay? Now, let us say guys, no, tandaan natin the first one is a winning, second one is at break even, the 2-1 right here is ongoing, and the first or the buy or long trade opportunity both are winning. Tanggalin mo natin yan. Now, here's the thing guys, with the journal, makikita ninyo, okay, if I am going to start with 20,000 US dollar, okay, using my setups, no, and with the $20,000, I am willing to risk 2% per trade, no, and I would like to have a total risk exposure of 20%. The maximum amount of trades that I could open would be 10. Okay, since I would like to open 2% trades. Since given the setup, there's actually 6 of them, no, for me to have, for example, if I could take this all. Now, if I am going to take this all, okay, then technically I have only 4 trades left, okay, for me able to open. Yun na lang yung mga allowable trades kong i-open. Okay, so if all of these are floating, okay, or ongoing, I may say. Okay, let us say ongoing ang lahat na ito. Okay, ongoing lahat yan. Just for example, this one is still ongoing, this one is still ongoing, and this one is still ongoing. Now, you could see allowable trades for me to open is only 4. Unless if may nagsara, for example, this one, now I could open 5 trades. Okay, so RM3 is quite complicated. Only those who are the students of ours knows what RM3 is. Okay, so RM1, RM2 is the basic one. Now, with the amount or within the capital given, okay, together with the risk management, like we would like to risk 2% per trade. So technically, each trade idea right here is 4% risk in total, another one 4%, and another one 4%. And let's get this back to ongoing. Now, pag nagkataon guys, lahat natalo. At lahat natalo, ano ba most likely mangyayari sa account? Kapag lahat ito ay talo, take note, ito yung mawawala sa atin. 2,400, 2,400, at 2,161. Percentage loss will be this much. Negative 12%, and negative 10%. That's for the risk management tree natin. Okay, so 2% per trade, guys. So even this much, kahit talo yan lahat, this is the amount or the percentage na mawawala lang sa inyong account. Okay?